Today we're making my buttermilk cornbread that's glazed with honey butter. This cornbread's quick and easy to make, it's fluffy on the inside, crisp on the edges, and the honey butter gives it a sweet, glossy glaze. It's really good served with chilli or with barbecue. The first job is to grease a 9x13" baking tin with butter and then line just the base with parchment. You also need to preheat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Next we're going to take 350 grams of fine cornmeal and place it into a mixing bowl, along with 250 grams of plain flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1.5 teaspoons of table salt. Then we're going to give it all a whisk to combine and then set it to one side. Next we're going to add 180 grams of melted unsalted butter into a jug, along with 400 grams of buttermilk, 80 grams of vegetable oil, 75 grams of honey and 3 large eggs. Then we'll give the wet ingredients a whisk as well, just to mix them together. I'd probably use a bigger jug than I did though. Once that's done, we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the cornmeal, making sure to give the jug a scrape down with a spatula to get all the buttermilk and stuff in. Then we're going to give the batter a gentle whisk by hand until it's just incorporated. We don't want to overmix the batter, so we just need to whisk it until it's smooth and combined. And once the batter's mixed, it should look something like this. So as soon as our batter's mixed, we're going to transfer it into our lined baking tin. The bicarb in the batter will start to react straight away, so we need to get it into the oven as soon as possible. Then what I like to do is take a palette knife and use it to spread the batter into an even layer. Then as soon as we've done that, we're going to pop the cornbread into the preheated oven, then bake for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown and a skewer inserted into the middle comes out clean. Whilst our cornbread's baking, we're going to make our honey butter. So in a small pan, I've got 60 grams of unsalted butter and 40 grams of honey. Then we're going to add in a pinch of sea salt and then cook the butter over a medium heat until it's all melted together. You could also do this in a bowl in the microwave. Then as soon as our butter's ready, we can set it to one side until our cornbread comes out the oven. The butter needs to be slightly warm still when we use it to glaze our cornbread. So once your cornbread's finished baking, it will look something like this. And the best way to check that it's fully cooked is to use a skewer to test it in a few different places. Your skewer should come out clean. Then as soon as we've done that, we're going to brush all of our honey butter on top of the cornbread. This will soak into the cornbread as it cools, giving it extra flavour and a shiny top. Then it's just a case of letting the cornbread cool for around 20 minutes before we cut it into portions. So once our cornbread's cooled slightly, we're going to run a palette knife around the edge to release it from the tin. Then we can turn our cornbread out onto a chopping board, then use a serrated knife to cut it into portions. I cut mine into 12 generous sized portions, but you can cut yours into whatever size you want. and that's how to make my buttermilk cornbread that's glazed with honey butter. For the full written recipe, head over to my blog, saltbuttersmoke.com. We've also got a recipe for a skillet cornbread if you prefer that sort of style. To serve this one, I like to pile it up on a plate, then serve it alongside a homemade chilli, a tray of barbecue, or a homemade soup. Or you can serve it on its own, topped with more honey. It's good either way. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another recipe.